Join me as I put the DJI Avata 3 to the test and see if it really lives up to the hype as the next big thing in drones. The DJI Avata 3 is being hailed as a potential game changer in the drone industry, and with its anticipated release, many are wondering if it's going to shake things up. Rumors are swirling about its features, and I'm excited to dive in and see what all the fuss is about. The drone market has been getting increasingly competitive, with new players entering the game and established brands upping their game. One of the biggest challenges drone manufacturers face is staying ahead of the competition while also navigating regulatory issues. We've seen it time and time again. A new drone comes out, only to be grounded by strict regulations or lawsuits. On top of that, user expectations are higher than ever, with demands for longer flight times, better cameras, and sleeker designs. It's a tough landscape, and only the strongest will survive. Another challenge is the constant innovation happening in the industry. Drones are getting more advanced by the day, and what was impressive last year is now considered basic. Brands need to constantly push the boundaries of what's possible to stay relevant. And let's not forget about the elephant in the room: safety concerns. As drones become more accessible, the risk of accidents and misuse increases, and manufacturers need to find ways to mitigate those risks. So, what does it take to stand out in this crowded market? That's what I'm hoping to find out with the DJI Avata 3. With its sleek design and impressive specs, it's got all the makings of a game changer. But is it enough? The DJI Avata 3 boasts an impressive design, with a sleek and aerodynamic body that's sure to turn heads. But it's not just about looks. This drone is packed with innovative features that set it apart from the competition. The camera capabilities are stunning, with 4K video and 48-megapixel photos. And with a flight time of up to 30 minutes, you'll have plenty of time to capture all the action. But what really caught my attention was the advanced obstacle avoidance system, which uses multiple sensors to detect and avoid collisions. One of the most impressive features of the DJI Avata 3 is its use of AI-powered tracking technology. This allows the drone to follow subjects with ease, even in complex environments. It's not just about flying, it's about creating an immersive experience. And with the advanced gimbal system, you'll get silky smooth footage that will leave your viewers breathless. But what really sets the DJI Avata 3 apart is its ability to adapt to different environments. Whether you're flying in tight spaces or over long distances, this drone can handle it. And with the advanced weather resistance, you don't have to worry about a little rain or wind ruining your shot. So, what's the standout feature that's got everyone excited? For me, it's the innovative Active Track 3.0 system. This advanced tracking technology allows the drone to follow subjects at high speeds, even in complex environments. It's perfect for capturing fast-paced action, like sports or racing. And with the advanced predictive algorithms, the drone can anticipate the subject's movements and adjust its flight path accordingly. The possibilities are endless with the DJI Avata 3, and I'm excited to see what creators do with it. Whether you're a professional filmmaker or just a drone enthusiast, this drone has the potential to take your content to the next level. So, what do you think? Is the DJI Avata 3 the next big thing in drones? Let me know in the comments below, and be sure to check out my other drone-related videos for more in-depth reviews and comparisons.